Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send PDF files on Snapchat. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. To send the PDF files on Snapchat, you need to first upload your PDF file to your Google Drive. This is because Snapchat doesn't directly support sending PDF files. So make sure you have installed the Google Drive app on your phone. Now open the Google Drive app on your phone. Here tap the Add button in the bottom right corner. Next select Upload File and then choose between photos and videos and browse. Here, go to where your PDF file is located and then select it. Now wait for the upload to complete. Once uploaded, locate the PDF file in your Google Drive. Next tap and hold the PDF file and then tap the three dots. This will open the context menu. Here select Copy Link. Just like that, the PDF file link will be copied. Now open the Snapchat app. Here, go to the chat where you want to send the PDF. In the chat box, paste the copied link from Google Drive. Next tap the Send button. That is how to send PDF files on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.